Good morning, students, and welcome to Travel and Tourism Day 7, Part 2. Students, in Part 1, we learned about the differences between a travel operator and a travel agent and how their roles are very different from each other. In Part 2, I wanted to show you the differences in a tabulated format, and here it goes. I have culled out some pictures wherein the difference is shown very clearly so that it's easy for all of you to learn and also to understand. And there are new points also. Right. Number one, travel agents are retailers, tour operators are wholesalers. They deal with travel agents. This we had done in part 1 as well. Travel agents act as consultants or advisors to the traveler, whereas a tour operator acts as a middleman between the supplier and the vendors. Students, when you go to a travel agent, that person is going to just tell you that this trip is good. Go for this package. This is a good destination to go to. Whereas a tour operator would create that package, will build that package from all the travel elements that they get. Now, what about the money? Travel agents' revenues are fixed and predetermined by the supplier, whereas for a tour operator, they have variable but limited revenues, income, and profit margins. Travel agents charge fee for documentation and ancillary services. Students in class 11, you have done about ancillary services like visa, like the other documents that you need to travel, your forex, all of that is your ancillary services. Whereas a tour operator sells optional products and services and makes use of the deposits. Now let's see this poster. Students, this poster is very interesting and it talks about the role of a tour operator and a travel agent very clearly. Now, if you look at the tour operator side, which is on the top, you have the picture of a hotel, you have a picture of a briefcase, you have a picture of a flight, you have a picture of a person resting, the food, and you have a map. Whereas if you look at a travel agent side, it's only a map and a passport. Exactly, this is how their role profile is. Tour operators deal with a lot of aspects. They deal with your hotel, they deal with your travel, they deal with your meals, they deal with your tickets for different places that you need to visit. They also deal with your transportation, right? Whereas a travel agent will only suggest you a place to go, would tell you which package is the best, and probably also help you in booking the package and booking your flight tickets. Now let's read about these two important people. Tour operator. A tour operator plans, arranges, sells, advertises, and operates your tour. They deal with finer details of the trip, like lodging, meals, tickets, etc. Their job ends when you return home from the vacation. That means a tour operator will be doing your groundwork also. So today, if I have to go to Dubai, I may have taken the package from a travel agent, but all the facilities and all the arrangements will be done by a tour operator. And by who? A subsidiary of the tour operator. Subsidiary is the person who will be helping a tour operator in the different locations. So if I have to go to Dubai, my tour operator will be having subsidiaries in Dubai from whom I have taken this package from. Right? So always remember that a tour operator's job is more than a travel agent's job. Right? Travel agents sell and administrate tour packages. They help you choose a suitable package. Their job ends when you start your vacation, whereas a tour operators Job ends when you return home from the vacation. They take care of the whole trip. Travel agents just sell the trip to you. But taking care of what is to be done, it is done by a tour operator. They have less responsibility than the tour operators. Also, their company is also small. A tour operator's company is more because the number of subsidiaries he or she will be having will be more. So, their company is also big. So, students understand, if a travel agency or if a travel agent is doing good, that is because he or she has a strong tour operator behind them. Right? Moving on to the next slide. Difference between a travel agency and a tour operator. They have also shown the difference in a very crisp and clear manner. So, system of providing services to customer. Travel agency, it's an independent reseller. We had done this in part 1. A tour operator forms a single tourist product with its own price tag. Size of the organization, a travel agency is a small organization, a tour operator is a large organization. Nature, travel agency is a supplier, tour operator is a distributor. Ground service, less inclined. Travel agency does not interfere with your ground services, whereas a tour operator acts as a ground operator. A travel agent is only dealing with one component, whereas a tour operator is dealing with a variety of components and he offers a variety of tour programs. The next picture I have, children, when you think of a tour operator, I want you to remember this picture in your mind. The moment you think of this picture, when I say a tour operator, you'll automatically get his role profile. Look at the images. A tour operator deals with all of that, whereas a travel agent just sits and tells you where to go. So when I say travel agent, the picture right now in front of you, that should come to your mind. And when I say travel operator or tour operator, this picture should come to your mind. Right, students? Just to make the concept more interesting and much more creative, I thought of giving you these slides so that you have a better understanding of this particular topic. So, students, see you tomorrow with the next class. Hope you have a great day ahead.